Welcome back, everyone. When is the last time you took your pet to the vet for a simple checkup? Fluffy may look just fine on the outside, but how can you tell everything is okay on the inside? Alana checked out the Texas Veterinary Hospital for the solution.
So we all talk to our pets, right? But do they always talk back? Well, no, they can't. But somebody that can help us figure out if they're not feeling too well, it's Dr. Mixon at Texas Veterinary Hospitals. Thank you for having us at a new location.
Yes, thank you very much for being here. We're at our Fredericksburg location by Fredericksburg Road and Vance Jackson. And this is our third hospital actually here in town. Our other one is over at Thousand Oaks, but we are here today.
Perfect.
And we're here to talk about blood screening and the importance of that. Because as you were saying, yes, we all talk to our pets. And we all believe that they listen to us and respond to what we're saying.
Of course they do.
And, but the tricky part is do they actually talk back? And with that, it would be nice if they say, oh yeah, I just don't feel well. I've been a little bit nauseous, a little bit achy, I'm just off. And that's why we're going to talk about blood screening today. Because with that, we're actually able to get a sample of blood and we can see what is going on with those organs today. We can see, are those kidneys functioning like they should? Is there some inflammation in the bladder, or not the bladder, but the liver, diabetes, basic things like anemia and things like that. We can see that very quickly and very easily. It's almost pain-free, so just a small sample of blood, and so it's not hurting our pet too much. But the valuable, I know, we're actually helping them tremendously in that if we can detect some of these symptoms and diseases early enough, we can do a lot with simple changes in diets and antioxidants and things like that to help prolong their life so they have more quality and so they're not feeling sick and nauseous and things like that. And one of the good things and bad things about our animals is that they are designed to hide weakness. And so in the wild, if the sick ones are the first to go, and they learn very quickly, you hide these things. And so they can lose 2/3 of their normal liver and kidney tissue before they show any symptoms. And then when they get sick, then you finally bring them in, and now we're kind of stuck. And now we have this poor cat or dog who's in kidney failure, and they're at a point where we can't really help them. But if we'd have done blood work 6 months sooner or a year sooner, then we could caught this, we could have changed the diet, and we could have done a lot to help them out. And it's a simple procedure. Usually it takes a few moments to draw a blood sample. And depending on which test we run, sometimes we can have results within 10 minutes, and other times we send it out to the lab and it takes more time. Now, as doctors, we all want as much information as possible. We would do the giant blood panel, x-rays, MRIs, ultrasounds, every time we get a hold of them, because we want to know as much information as possible so we can help and give you the best information. But even small blood screens can be very helpful. You know, checking for diabetes, kidney disease, liver, the most common problems. By doing those smaller screens, many times we catch the majority of the issues that we run into, and it's very simple. Just a small little blood sample, and the pets usually don't resent that much at all, and that we get lots of good information.
And I think a lot of people just aren't really aware that this is something they need to get done to their pets. So if you could shout something to all these pet owners that they don't know, what would it be?
Your pets don't talk to you, at least in a way that we understand, and tell us what is wrong. And so the only way that we can do that is through the blood screen. Because our hands do great work, I can feel and examine lots of wonderful things, but I can't say, oh, your kidneys are only 50% functioning, or your liver's just not working. And so that's where the blood work comes in. I love working with your pets and doing all the stuff that we can, but there's sometimes more that we have to do to get you all the proper information.
I understand. All right, you guys. We might not be able to see it from seeing how fluffy Fluffy is.
Right.
You can come see Dr. Mixon. He can definitely help you out. Thanks for having us out here.
Thank you very much. It was great having you.
And for more information on Texas Veterinary Hospitals, you can see all of their locations there, one on Northwest Military, one on Thousand Oaks, and one on Fredericksburg. And you can go to their website, texasveterinaryhospitals.com, for more information. We also have a special offer, a free wellness exam for all new patients. That is a $50 value.